Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about building commitment and consistency in your Pilates practice. We often hit roadblocks and we decide not to do things. Whenever we make that decision, what happens is our forward momentum gets halted. So even if you don't feel like you want to do something today, I really encourage you to be consistent, even if it's just a small step, because it's consistency in business that wins the battle. And to be consistent, we need to be committed. And I think I really love this quote about that you do not rise to the level of your goals, but you fall to the level of your systems. So if you don't have good business systems in place that help you to stay committed and help you to stay consistently on track, that's when we can make all the goals in the world, but we won't reach them because we don't have the systems to help us take our plans and put them into action. So if it says something like your marketing for your studio, make sure that you consistently take the steps to put your social media posts out there, to write those emails to the people on your list. Decide on what is going to work for you that you can commit to being consistent. So is that once a week? Is that 3 times a week? Is it 5 days a week? Decide on a plan and then stick to it. Maybe make a plan for a month ahead so that you don't have to think about what it is that you're going to be posting today, but that you have actually set that out. And all you need to do is go to your plan and say, right, today I'm posting on consistency. Tomorrow, I'm going to be posting an exercise. The day after that, I'm going to be posting a special event. So, whatever that consistently looks like for you, stick to it. Do it every single day so that your business can grow. So you need to get clear, but I urge you to keep it simple. Just become really laser focused and chaos free. Don't make things difficult for yourself. Make sure that whatever you choose, you can stick to. And then you can really take action and help your business to grow. So like I said, you can have all the goals and you can have all the planning, and it's great to sit down and plan all these things, but if you don't take action, nothing is going to happen. And we take action by being committed to the path that we've set for ourselves. So be realistic about what you've set yourself to do. If you find that it's not working or you can't stick with it, then your goal is unattainable. It's not actually working for you, it's working against you and making you less consistent. If you show up, the magic will happen. So you just need to believe it and keep plugging away at it. If you find that things are not working, assess why it's not working, pivot, try something else, but keep going. I know you can do it.